Types of modular kitchens. Usually, there are different types of modular kitchen types depending upon their plan and layout. These are generally categorized into different types. So, do check out these types of modular kitchen to get an idea. Straight modular kitchen, parallel modular kitchen, L-shaped modular kitchen, U-shaped modular kitchen, island modular kitchen, G-shaped layout, straight modular kitchen. Straight modular kitchen commonly displayed in studio apartments. This type does have an easy workflow and will not have a work triangle. The design of a straight modular kitchen layout is compact and works for both small and large area of kitchen spaces. Parallel or gallery layout modular kitchens. These types are just a small version of U-shaped kitchens. This has two parallel countertops and it's very comfortable to work. It can be easily divided into two working areas and those areas face each other. These can be split into the wet and dry workspaces as well. These shaped kitchens are ideal for longitudinal areas. Also, it's best for homes who love to create a passage from the kitchen. L-shaped layouts. L-shaped modular kitchen layouts are the most common layouts. These are ideal layouts for small area kitchens. The L-shaped design makes space for the placements and storage options in small kitchens, so it gives more space for people to work. If you are having a small house and keep to make an impactful kitchen means L-shaped layout is best as it provides maximum storage and increases your comfort level. U-shaped layout. U-shaped kitchen layouts are mainly preferred for large kitchen spaces. This gives you more working space and hence cooking will become easier. When you have more space in your kitchen, you can quickly complete washing and preparation in that place itself. This type of layout has been the most efficient kitchen design because it provides the maximum amount of storage with lots of space. This is an ideal kitchen for large families. Island modular kitchen layout. When you prefer elegant and most modernistic look for your large kitchen space means you can check out this island modular kitchen. It's generally the combination of straight type layout and a shaped layout with an unconnected island placed along with the layout. The island can be placed as a breakfast table or even use it as a dry working zone as well. Its versatile nature not only helps you in the creation of separate storage, but it also enhances the cooking spaces. This has a great contemporary look and feels as well. G-shaped layout. The G-shaped layout is pretty similar to an island kitchen. The main difference between the island kitchen and the normal kitchen is it joins to the counter and it acts as a breakfast table. The shape is perfect for small areas where you can accommodate a dining table. These are the different types of modular kitchens which help you to enhance your look and feel. Modular kitchen advantages and disadvantages. Hoping for a sufficiently big kitchen is considered to be too ambitious. To increase the storage in the kitchen, display and functionality, there need to be some necessary renovations done in the kitchen. To ease the task of revamping your kitchen, modular kitchens are the new big thing. We aim at providing answers to doubts that pop up your mind when you come across the word modular kitchen. Designing a kitchen is not an easy task, particularly when you have to make sure that you get enough space for storage, cooking as well as the electronic appliances which are indispensable in today's time. However, modular kitchens are the perfect solution to all your needs. Modular kitchens are highly customizable to any shape, knocking away all your qualms. What is modular kitchen? Modular kitchen is term used for kitchens which consists of factory-made cabinet modules made of diversified materials to facilitate the effective usage of the spaces in the kitchen. It is an ideal solution for proper space utilization with an elegant and chic look. The best advantage of modular kitchen is that it can be customized according to the shape of your kitchen. A series of pre-made cabinets are used to configure a suitable layout as per your requirement. Multiple modules are fitted together to make a modular kitchen. These parts together create a whole functional kitchen layout. The cabinet modules are broadly divided into two categories: floor units cabinets, wall units cabinets. Depending upon their placement in the kitchen layout, various permutations and combinations of these units create the desired kitchen design. Why should one use a modular kitchen? Modular kitchen is an easy and trendy way to maximize storage area with minimal footprint. With the concept of open kitchen and open plans, kitchen has become an indispensable area of impact while working on the decor of your house. Considerable amount of design process needs to be carried out when you decide to leave your kitchen open to be viewed when people visit your house. Its aesthetical importance begins to coexist with its functional significance. Moreover, if modular kitchen is well designed and planned for proper space management, a lot of storage can be created even in the smallest of kitchen areas. Advantages and disadvantages of modular kitchen. Here is a quick list of advantages and disadvantages of modular kitchen when compared to your regular kitchen design. Advantages of modular kitchen. Modular kitchen gives you way more storage area than your regularly designed kitchen. More storage means more food, right? It has a sleek, clean and trendy design. You can totally own the kitchen you have always dreamt of having while watching your favorite cookery shows. The use of straight line cuts gives a minimalistic yet elegant look. Convenience of working. Since you have a well compartmentalized storage space and design space for cooking, washing, storage, and electrical appliances, working is a lot easier. You get to choose from an overabundance range of finishes, colors, patterns to make your modular kitchen gel with your existing interior theme. Since the cabinets are prefabricated, construction is quick and chances of errors are considerably reduced. Moreover, if required, individual components of the kitchen can be replaced, hence making repair work way easier. Modular kitchen can be cleaned and maintained comfortably and require less effort. Disadvantages of modular kitchen. Initial installation cost of modular kitchen is higher as compared to your ordinary kitchen. Prefabricated cabinets need technical assistance while installation and repair. Even though individual modules can be changed and repaired, changing the color theme would be heavy on pocket. If an existing kitchen needs to be fitted with modular kitchen, the civil works are usually done by a third part like dado work and tile work, etc. Modular kitchens are a clear choice, though money being a constraint. Modular kitchens have a wide range cost estimates to suit different budgets as required.